exercise his exclusivity either by marketing the patented invention himself or by licensing it to the third party. So by doing marketing or licensing to the other party, you can have a patent. Second one is a copyright, which is a intellectual property, and it can get the rights by different laws, so that the recognition and the financial benefits can be given to the person who have developed such type of IPs. It is a legal term used to describe the rights that creators have over their literary and artistic work. So mainly copyrights are related with the literary and artistic work. Work covers the copyright range from books like books. So literary, it is books, music, painting, sculptures, different type of sculptures, films, computer programs, databases, advertisement, maps, technical drawing. These are some examples of the copyrights. So you can see how wide range of copyrights can be developed by the people or group of people. So you can have the books, means unique type of books. You can get the right for that book, and you can also get recognition and financial benefits from such type of copyrights. Music, painting, sculpture, etc. So after this patents, this is another one, because this is an introductory lecture. So I will go through the just basic things as well as the different laws and rights for the IPs. Another one, madam, slides are moving on.
Yes, sir.
Trademarks. Sir has also given 2-3 examples in his short lecture regarding the trademarks. The trademark is a sign capable of understanding the goods or services of one enterprise from those of other enterprises. As sir has told, Coca-Cola, for example, Nike is a brand. If you see any product of the Nike, then a specific logo, specific drawing, you can see, trademark you can see on the product of Nike or the Coca-Cola. So these trademarks have been protected by the rights and laws. In earlier time, the trademarks were like a signature or mark on their products, some signature or particular type of specific type of mark on the products of the companies. If you go into the Google and put the trademarks, you can see number of pictures. Go to the images, you can see number of pictures like Nike and Coca-Cola like this. You can see number of pictures which have been used as a trademark by different companies. Then industrial designs belongs to another important class of the IP, intellectual property. Industrial designs that constitute the ornamental or aesthetic aspect of the article. And design may consist of 3-dimensional features such as shape or surface of an article, or of 2-dimensional features such as patterns, lines, or colors. So different industries, they are working on some or the other products, and they make their own designs, and such type of designs which are unique and novel, they belong to the IPs and they get the rights. For example, a particular specific shape or surface of the article have been developed by some companies. Some patterns of designs, they belong to the industrial designs. The fifth one is geographical indications. This belongs to the signs used on the goods, the objects or goods. There are signs on the objects or goods that have specific geographical origin. They belong to some specific geographical area, specific geographical origin, and possess qualities, reputation, or characteristics that are essentially attributable to the place of origin. Place of origin. So these type of geographical indications are found in particular geographical area only, and they are, famous, or they are famous for that particular area, and that geographical area is to be mentioned while using uh, using or implementing such type of uh, indications. For example, which is well known in Maharashtra, there is Kolhapuri Chappal. It is belongs to the Kolhapur city. This particular geographical area, Kolhapur, it prepares such type of things, and the name has been given, geographical name has been given, or Paithani Sari of the Paithan city. So you must have understood this. And such type of indications, having geographical indications, are protected by the law. Then next is the trade secrets. Trade secrets. These are IPs on confidential information which may be sold or licensed. Some are the important type of secrets relating to trade. They get the rights by laws, and they invent them can sold or licensed using trade secrets by IPR. The acquisition of such secrets information in a manner practices by others is regarded as an unfair practice and violation of the trade secret protection. So, if someone or the order is using such type of and then, or if he is not taking the permission, then it should be considered as an unfair practice and violation of the IPR laws. Seventh is the plant varieties. Plant varieties. Promoting the development of new varieties of the plants as well as the protection of plant varieties and the rights of the farmers and breeders. We all know that from agriculture universities and the people, researchers, those are working in the agriculture, particularly on developing the new varieties of the plant for the better crop production. They develop different plant varieties. Not only this, they protect these plant varieties so that plant varieties, even farmers, they prepare different plant varieties. So such type of agencies and the individuals take the rights from the IPR for their development. As a part of ratification of the TRIPS agreement, India has enacted the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers Act 2001. So this particular act, Plant Act, is there. It's commonly known as Plant Act for such type of varieties, as per the recommendation of International Union for Protection of New Varieties of the Plant, Geneva. The act has facilitated the creation of protection of plant varieties and farmers' right authority. So this particular act, which has been developed in Geneva, it gives the protection to the plant varieties and farmer right authorities. Another one is the layout designs of integrated circuits. This is specific related with some semiconductor integrated circuits. This particular act is aimed to ensure the protection of the layout design in integrated circuits. So this is specifically related with the integrated circuits. The layout designs refer to a layout of transistors and other circuit elements, which includes lead wires connecting such elements and expressed in the manner in semiconductor integrated circuit. So the researcher working on developing the semiconductor integrated circuits, particularly using the lead wires, that belongs to the intellectual property and it is protected by the laws, and they get the rights for that. The Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layout Design Act 2000 was drafted into the Indian governance system in compliance with the TRIPS agreement. So this, in short, these are some 7-8 intellectual properties, see, and which have some or the other type of invention and is some non-obvious thing. It is the creation of the mind of the researcher. So for all these different type of IPs, the rights have been given by the different governments. Some governing regulations in India, particularly in India, I have mentioned over here. For example, following acts govern the IPR in India. These are the different acts in India. Trademark Act 1999. Trademark is one of the IP and protect that IP in India in 1999. Protect the trademarks. 1970, which has been amended. The modifications have been done in 2005 in the particular Act. Copyright Act 1957, which is Act for the Copyright. The names are already included in this Act. The Design Act 2000, the geographical indication of the goods, like patent design. For that Act is the registration and protection of geographical indications. 1999. The protection of plant varieties and farm rights, Act 2001, and IT Act 2000. So related with different IPs in India, we have give the details of innovation. For example, if you are doing patents, if your work is patentable, then we have to follow the Patent Act and all the procedures of the Patent Act, and you can then go for it. Different governing bodies are there for IPR globally. The most important governing body is World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. Some 4-5 governing bodies we will see over here. The WIPO, it has been established in 14 July 1967 and 26 April 1970, Geneva, Switzerland, to give the protection, give the rights to the different IPs. And this WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, is a global forum for IP services. Any type of IP services, it is a global forum for IP services, policies, information, and corporations. Specialized agency of US nations, which has 193 member states. Agency. WIPO is for the development of balanced and effective international IP system, which facilitate innovation and creativity for the benefit of all. So, not only it provides the protection and commercial benefits and recognition to the IPs under WIPO, but also it provides the balanced and effective international IP system so that it will be useful for all. Now, India and WIPO. India and WIPO. Member of WIPO in 1975. India has become the member of WIPO in 1975 and signed 6 treaties of WIPO. Different we have signed, or India has signed different treaties of WIPO in 1975 and after. WIPO Convention 1975, Paris Convention. So these are the different conventions which are conducted by WIPO, in which the India has participated and accepted the WIPO's laws. These are different conventions. In 290, India has joined 3 more WIPO treaties: Nice Agreement, Vienna Agreement, and Locarno Agreement for the search of trademarks and industrial designs to protect the brand owners and designs. So these are some relations between the India and the world intellectual property organization. First was the WIPO. Second is DPIIT, which is a Department for the Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, which is coordinating and implementing programs with United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO. This DPIIT, it is implementing and coordinating the different programs which are related with the IPA and IPR with UNIDO in India. So this UNIDO is implementing programs in India related with the IPA and IPR. This particularly is concerned with the patents, designs, trademarks, copyrights, layout designs of integrated circuits and geographical indication. So it almost covers almost all the IPs. The Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, DIPP, renamed as a DPIIT in 2019 and established in 1995, was reconstructed in 2000. So our current Minister of Commerce and Industry, Piyush Goyal, with this particular DPIIT and UNIDO programs in India. Then the CGPDTM, Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks, CGPDTM, board administrates industrial property laws related to patents, designs, trademarks and geographical indication in the country. This is also the Registrar of Copyright and Registrar of Semiconductor Integrated Circuits, Layouts and Designs. This particular CGPDTM is related with these different types of IPs and particularly it is related with the semiconductor integrated circuit layouts. The headquarters of Office of Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks is in the Mumbai. Another one, the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, RGNIIM, and Patent Information System, PIS, is located in the Nagpur. The patent offices are there in Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Mumbai. The trademark registry offices are located in Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, in India. And the design wing is located at the Kolkata. Also, the geographical indication registry office is there in the Chennai. Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I continue?
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Because the PPT is not being shared, so I could not. I have separately opened the presentation, so I could not see These particular, if messages, I think 59 messages. If someone have, no, no, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, RGNIIPM, has been established at Nagpur as a national center for excellence for training, management, research, education in the field of IP.